We're live.
Oh, all right. Hi, everybody. As that doctor from The Simpsons would say.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Dr. Nick.
Yeah. Man, I'm on season... I just finished season 19 of The Simpsons again.
Again?
Like, I just rewatching the whole series of The Simpsons.
Wow.
And it's just fucking hilarious.
Even the newer ones, huh?
Even the newer ones, like, the writers are fucking A-level. It's like, man, you guys are fucking hysterical. In the early 2000s, mid-2000s, it was not PC.
Early 2000s was not a PC time, if you recall. We were in high school then. There was no PC. Nothing like that.
Nope. Not at all. The things that we would call our friends now, we were getting Facebook jail for sure.
Oh my god, you'd probably get fired. Well, I don't have a job. A real job. Nobody can fire me. It's great.
Kind of crazy, huh?
It is.
All right. I am ready whenever you are.
All right.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is August 30th, 2021. I'm not wearing my hat today. And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
Today we're bridging gaps between comedy, cannabis, hair loss, and the stock game, thanks to David DeCorpo. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in.
You're hysterical. I want to give a huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. Thank you so much for getting us high every single day while we trade in the stock and crypto markets. Go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. If they keep us high, they should keep you high too. Brian, who else we got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm that helps you trade the stock market. It helps send buy and short signals so that you can make good trades, not haphazard shit trades. Check out Cheat Code Algorithm. We got a link in the description. You get a discount. We get some money. And while you're down there, you can join their Discord and our Discord. Check it out.
Yeah, so sorry about the couple-minute delay. I was helping a neighbor move some furniture. I was told it was one table that ended up being a whole living room set. Fucking wild.
Dude, people, that neighbor in particular, he really only takes from you. He's a nice guy, but he, comes in, he's like, oh, you got beers? That's cool, let me get a beer. Oh, you got joints? You shouldn't be smoking that in here, but let me smoke those joints. Can you move my shit for me? Can I borrow your car? Can I fuck your girlfriend?
Yeah, so I helped him out.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you should see his little storage unit. There is everything from sofas to love seats, air hockey tables, just everything. So I'm gonna try to ask for that air hockey table now since I helped him.
He probably uses it.
Yeah. Oh, I kicked his ass, so he definitely does not use it.
No.
No.
He just collects things.
So how was your weekend?
Pretty low key. Went out with Matt on Friday night. That was fun. Went to Lucky's downtown. So many women. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. It was just a fucking train of attractive women. It was insane.
What'd you do about it?
What did I do about it?
Yeah.
Watched. I don't know. What am I gonna? I'm not gonna do it about it. I'm not gonna do anything about it. If Devin wants to make a move, she can. I'm not gonna be the one to be like, yo, we're gonna shoot for that one over there. That's not how it works.
Well, how was Matt? Did Matt end up lucky?
Matt, it's actually funny because Matt, at that bar, we just hung out for a while. Then we went back and Matt took off. He ended up going to another bar where they met a bizarro world version of me.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm serious. Hang on. I'm gonna have to send it. I'm gonna have to send it into the Discord and then pull it up. But it's pretty fucking funny.
Come on.
Yeah.
What?
Just give me 2 minutes here to send it over.
All right. Well, you do that. I'm gonna try to light my joint.
Yeah, do that.
Fuckface, you forgot to say that I was with you on Friday. I went to
yeah.
your favorite bar, Chili's.
We went to Chili's. I forgot about that.
Yeah, went to fucking Chili's. Glad that you forgot so easily. They had an ice bar, so when you're sitting at the bar where you put your drink down, in between you and the bartender, there is a, what's the word I want to say? Like a...
There's a rig, like...
pipe.
Yeah, there's
ice.
A channel. Like a moat.
A channel. Yeah, definitely like a moat. Full, frozen, shaved ice. Put your beer over there. Great, good idea. But like Matt said, it was a fucking Chili's.
Yep. Wow. That I'm sorry. It's just whatever I just sent over isn't opening.
All right.
So I gotta try again.
Did you? While you're doing that, I didn't read any fucking like random articles besides stock and crypto this morning. Did you read anything funny that's worth telling?
I didn't read anything funny. No. I don't know if you saw, but Hurricane Ida touched down in New Orleans, and it apparently fucked shit up.
No, I didn't see that. What happened?
Hurricane Ida touched down in New Orleans, and it fucked shit up. Pretty bad hurricane. It's the anniversary of Hurricane Katrina, which sucks.
Oh wow!
And then hang on, I've got a picture of Bizarro me here.
All right. Let me put up my YouTube so I can actually see what you're sending. It's going to be YouTube, or are you going to put it on the Discord?
It's on the Discord, and it's also on YouTube. Yeah, if you go on Discord right now, it's the most recent.
Okay, and you say this dude that fucking looks like you?
What's up, Kit Drordy? $4,800 today on KPLT. Today was a good day indeed, sir.
Man, that's kind of fucking funny. It's not like pinpoint. It's probably like if it was like a match, I would give it like a 74% match. You know, I don't think I would give it more than like an average of a C. But I could see why they were excited to talk to this guy because they thought it was you.
They didn't think it was me. They were just like, hey, you kind of look like our friend Brian, which I get. He looks like, if I'm going to be honest, by this picture, he looks like slightly chubbier Brian, which is great. I'm always excited to be skinnier version of Bizarro me's. He has the same receding hairline. You can tell by how he's swooping his hair over.
You're so funny.
Yeah, he's got the same kind of pudgy face. Look, I'll lean in for it. His beard's a little thicker than mine, as you could tell, but I've recently shaved. This is the third person that's been sent to me that kind of looks like me at a random bar.
You only have 3? Well, that's fucking. You should feel lucky.
Why?
Because the amount of times that people say that they know somebody that looks just fucking like me, bro.
Yeah, but when it ends up looking just like you, it's just like some bald dude, and it's like, that doesn't look like Dave at all. It's just a bald dude.
I know. That's what I'm trying to say, though. But I think you look more like Jared Leto than this guy looks to you.
That's probably the nicest thing you've ever said to me. I don't know what I did to deserve that. I'm really mean to you all the time. I don't know why you would say such a nice thing to me, but I really appreciate it.
Being honest. I'm an honest person, so you're fucking welcome. All right. Let's just move into the Discord talk. Bryson brought up MMAT. Meta Materials. We did have this on D&B 100.
Ooh, hang on. Nope, sorry. Go ahead.
I don't remember when we put this on or why we put this on, but it was on.
Because of Bryson.
Was it Bryson?
Yeah.
Was he like the one? Okay. So Bryson had us put this on. It's up 11% right now. It looks like it might be filling a gap.
Bruh, it's not filling a fucking gap. You're crazy. Did you look back? Have you looked back to June? It's not filling a gap. Okay?
So from June?
It had a massive spike, and it's just like kind of moving right now. It's at its consolidation point. Stop it. It is not filling any fucking gap. It had a pump and dump. It was an abnormality in the graph. All you have to do is look back. If anything, it might hit $10, but that's not fucking happening anytime soon.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fucking explode. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go right up to 20-something.
There's no gap to fill.
Well, yeah, I don't think it. Yeah, I do like the $10 area because you could tell it consolidated from mid-June to end of June, around the $10 mark. So a whole month at $10. So that tells me that it could possibly go back to $10. Don't you think?
Mid-June to end of June, it consolidated?
So from like June 14th and June 29th, it was ranging from $10 to $12, and it was like that for a whole month, around the $10 area. And yeah, it's at $4.
Are we looking at the same graph?
Yeah, MMAT.
For-
I have it on the hour.
Okay, it doesn't matter if you're on the hour or on the fucking future view. What are you talking between June 10th and June 29th?
No, June 14th. June
Okay,
14th.
between June 14th and June 29th, it pumped from $6.50 to $22 and then crashed back down. What are you talking about? It went to $12 a couple times.
No, like, all right, so it went up. So in mid-June, June 14th, it
Yes.
went up. It's at the $10 range, give or take. It went up like a dollar or two. You know, it's trying to consolidate. Yeah, then it pumped again.
Do you
crashed.
know what oh, okay.
Yes. What do you mean? It was around the same price for for a whole week. How is that not consolidating?
It was like 3 days. It went
No.
up and then it went down. Okay.
Yeah, but then like right after. So then right after
and then
that,
it
I was
shot
like,
back up.
Well, yeah, then it had a little head and shoulders, right, or June 22nd, and then it consolidated again for another week. But yeah, and then it started to tumble, so something must happen in the economy at the end of June. I forget what.
Yeah, you got to learn about. It didn't consolidate at all at either of those points. What it's doing right now is consolidating is going to be. It's like a stretch. 3 days where it kind of bounces back and forth is not consolidation.
Yeah, okay. I know what you're saying there, but it was like that for a couple days, so that means people were okay with the price of that for that price for a while. Is what I'm getting at.
Okay.
Because that doesn't that look like a Head and Shoulders?
It looks like a fucking pump and dump.
Yeah, you're right.
I know.
You're right. You're right, Brian.
It's like we're looking at the same graph, and you have such a completely different interpretation of it. It's kind of wild.
No, I can just see it going back up to $10. I can easily see this being at $10. Yeah, then it'll come right back down. And then I'm not sure
for what reason though. Just because it was there one time.
All right. So volume 73 million per day. That's a lot of volume. That's a lot of eyes. So why can't this go back up to 10? Why can't this pump up if the graph's starting to look good? You know.
I mean, maybe you'll be right.
I don't know. I'm just going off of fucking what I was just looking at with support, which is like the next thing that I really wanted to talk about because that was another big mover.
Okay.
We've been talking about for the whole week, SPRT. And when we were talking about this, we were watching it for fucking when it was just $3 for the longest time.
Yeah.
And it just pumped and it crashed, and then it's starting to get some momentum going back up.
It is still very much in the sell on the algorithm. The algorithm does not have confidence in this.
No, it does not. No. Which I can easily see buying puts probably wouldn't be the worst idea. You know, this went from what? So August 25th, it was at 14. So 2 weeks, it doubled, if not more than doubled, 2.5.
Yeah.
I don't know, but yeah,
Let's
it does
see.
look good though. That I don't know.
Wow. Contracts are very expensive for these.
For which one? Support or MMET?
Oh, yeah. Like, for October 15th, a $8 put is $1.13.
Oh.
It's at $37 right now. It's kind of wild.
Oh, what was the ADTX? Bear Frank was talking about that this morning. He was looking at some call options long term, some leap years.
This company's fucking trash. I don't know. He only likes it because he like has some insider information. This is a fucking garbage stock. I love you, Frank. I don't know why you're spouting about this. I don't like it at all. Like, I don't know if somebody sponsored your stock options on this shit. This thing's trash. This is fucking garbage. This is worse than JagX trash.
Oh, what is JagX trading at right now?
Like
bro?
$1.20. It's like $1.22. But this is just shit.
What's the update on JagX for
SPAC coming? Just got an email about it recently, like a week and a half ago.
And what did it say?
The SPAC is happening. The long talked about SPAC is confirmed.
Okay. All right, so let's look at JagX real quick.
Also, shout out to Kip Jordy for kicking back with some dabs. I emptied out my recreation draw the other day. I'll just show you guys a quick little. It's nothing like Dave's recreation draw, but I had like 4 different types of wax and concentrates in there. I had 6 different strain of weed. I might have had some mushrooms. I'm not going to confirm or deny that. It was a nice one.
And what'd you do with it all?
I just reorganized it. I still have like all of it. That was just a couple days ago. I looked in it.
All right, yeah, I love my little bag. So my girlfriend works at a different dispensary, so we just get a combination of a bunch of shit that we don't need, and we just hand out when needed.
It's so funny. Yeah, I asked for some
good tip money. Yeah,
I asked for some edibles the other day, and Joel was like, "Oh, just open the drawer there. There's so many." I opened up, there was like 20 fucking things of gummies in there. It was amazing. Shout out to Wild Gummies. They're very good.
Good. Well, that's good to know. Going back to JagX real quick, TradingView said it's in the buy. It's about to hit the entry point, 2 cents away, and then you can let it run for 20 cents for JagX.
Yeah.
Fucking JagX. Totally forgot about that.
Fucking JagX. JagX will ride again. It and its garbage brethren, ADTX, Smooches Frank. They'll run one day. I know it.
All right, so we brought up MMAT, we brought up SPRT. There was no SPAC IPO merger / funding news that I saw this morning when I was doing my research. But let's get right into the stock news.
Hang on a second. Kip in chat was talking about making money on KPLT. Look at this fucking fish hook of a graph.
KPLT.
Pull up KPLT on the hour. That is a scoop to whoop if I've ever seen one. This graph still looks like trash. I have no idea what they do, but lordy, it's like a perfect U.
This is what I strive for.
This is exactly what Dave wants. He wants it to fall off a cliff, and then he wants to pick it up at $3 for it to shoot up to $5, possibly. Like this graph, you look at it, you're like, oh my god, is it going back to 10 for no reason? Like, why did it drop off? Yeah, so there you go. If you want to chase something, Dave.
Yeah, well, no, I'm still sitting long in my fucking dojo at the moment. I don't really want to take anything out because I know it'll get back to 47 cents. I just don't know when. That's my average.
Yep. All right.
All right, but yeah, let's go back. Let's go into the stock news. PayPal. This is fucking huge. This popped up on my screen right before we got onto the show because this is hot off the press. PayPal is exploring a stock trading platform for its U.S. customers.
Nice.
Yeah, that's big fucking news. That's big. All right,
you know what's really funny before you get into this? No, I agree with you. It's totally big.
Oh.
However, this is the title of this article is PayPal is exploring a stock trading platform for its United States customers. And then if you scroll down to the first picture, ignore this pop-up, it's got the PayPal app. And it's in Dutch. It's in German. Like, they couldn't get a picture of an American PayPal app? You silly bitches? The PayPal application can be seen on a mobile phone. Get it en inglés. What are you doing? Okay, now you can start your article. I'm sorry. That's so funny.
Touche. It needed to be said. All right. PayPal is exploring ways to let users trade individual stocks. Whew. According to 2 sources familiar with the plan and public details around a new executive hire. Big news.
Ooh.
The move comes amid a retail trading boom that brought millions of new investors into the stock market and more regulatory scrutiny for some brokerages firms. On a different article that I read this morning, I think it was 10 million new traders this year.
Wow.
For America.
Damn. That is a lot.
10 million!
10 million. 10 million people lost a lot of money.
Oh, God. Especially if this was like their first year when they had a glimpse of winning something and then just having it taken away.
Yeah.
Like your boy.
Yep. It's okay. You're in year 2 now, and by year 10, hopefully you'll have figured it out. Hopefully we'll have all figured it out. You just got to stay afloat long enough until you can make it.
It's funny that you say that because I was actually comparing myself yesterday. I was like, bro, this is my 5th year in the marijuana industry, and like now I'm just starting to get things off. I'm like, all right, bro, you can kind of calm down because Doge isn't fucking popping off after a month after it fucking tanked. You know, calm down, bro.
You can chill.
You can fucking chill. Don't forget it's there. All right, Brian, you grab the next one. This one's super interesting too.
Yeah, just real quick on PayPal. PayPal's looking pretty good. This is something Dave likes. Looks like it could, make like a little cup and handle fill back up to 310 with relative ease, honestly. It's sitting at 287 right now. I would expect it to kind of peter off a little bit, but I think another push to 310, just looking at this graph history, especially in the recent past, I think it's definitely possible.
Yeah, I think so too.
I am not an expert, but 310 is there's like heavy rejection off 310. It has yet to break through it. It looks like. So if you do see that push approaching, 310 is a pretty attractive place to be buying puts at. Just looking at the graph.
It's also it needs to break where it's at right now too. It could also come right back down.
It sure can. Yeah, the push to 310, if it happens, will be nice, but it'll be hard to break that 310 barrier.
Oh, I agree.
All right.
Yeah, look at that. Yep. Okay, cool. You got the next one.
Next up, Alphabet's drones delivered 10,000 cups of coffee and 1,200 roast chickens in the last year. Alphabet, of course, Google.
Too big.
Which is Goog. Woohoo, baby! Wow. All right, I wasn't expecting that. It's only pretty much since COVID has been on a nice line up from, let's see, COVID 1016, now 2911. That's fucking wild.
It's not gonna stop, bro.
Nope. Google will take over the world. No, go ahead.
It's almost at a $2 trillion market cap, which is what Apple's at.
Yep. That's wild. Wing was launched in 2019 in Australia following a series of drone tests that began in 2014. The service, which was initially part of Alphabet's experimental research division, allows users to order items such as food through a mobile app and is fast approaching 100,000 deliveries since its launch. Crazy. In 2019, Wing became the first drone delivery firm to win approval from the United States Federal Aviation Administration, which permitted the company to start dropping packages. That year, Wing was looking to fill at least 24 roles in the United States, and the company began testing a service with Walgreens, to deliver food, beverages, and over-the-counter medications, and a trial with FedEx. The company said it will continue new cities and partners in the coming months. That's cool. That's really cool. Maybe they'll buy some workhorse drones. They won't.
You never know. You never know. That'll be really funny, though. Next, ticker ASTR. This is another space company. They tried to launch a rocket yesterday. After wobbly liftoff, Astrospace rocket fails to reach orbit once again. Bam, bam, bam. Following a scrub a day earlier, rocket builder Astrospace on Saturday launched its LV-0006 rocket from Kodiak, Alaska. The launch was the company's first since Astra went public. 1 second into the flight, Astra executives told CNBC an engine shut down. And they shut it. It went 31 miles and came right back down.
That's great. 1 second into the flight, an engine shut down. Sounds like the story of how I lost my virginity. Boom.
I thought your mom watched the show. I thought you didn't want to talk about that shit.
Mom's driving here right now, so I don't know that she's watching. Yeah.
All right, you got the next one.
Did we talk, first of all, did we talk about Astra before?
I don't know. I don't know.
It had a great pump on its right after its IPO, but it's garbage. All right. Big Lots stock just got smaller.
Real quick, before you share this, did you know Big Lots was publicly traded?
I feel like you've brought it up before.
Really? Fucking Big Lots. All I think about is, like, the North Nashua, exit 8.
Mm-hmm.
Over there. That's all I think about, like, how trashy it was.
Big Lots is garbage.
Yeah.
You go in and it's
how is that fucking publicly traded?
I don't know. Big Lots is selling, like, Amazon furniture before Amazon furniture was selling it, and now you could just get it off Amazon and you don't have to go to Big Lots.
Jesus Christ.
Shares of Big Lots are falling today, down by 4% as of 12:41 Pacific PM EDT. Wow, I bet they went real deep into the fucking time. After the discount retailer posted underwhelming earnings for its fiscal second quarter of 2021. Puts? Question mark, Dave?
Yeah.
What do you think? Puts? Well,
Puts?
it's too down to be getting puts right now.
Okay. I don't see it coming up.
The Algo does?
I don't know. Just the company itself, man. No. It was trashy 20 years ago. How is it still around right now?
I don't know.
It's how could you feel good about trading or investing into Big Lots?
Damn, it had a great Q4 2020 and Q1 2021, and then it just like fell off the planet.
Big Lots, bro.
Big Lots. My
I can see
grandmother
this.
loves Big Lots.
You know, it's a $1.8 billion company right now. Too big.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah. Let's get into some crypto. Woo!
Yeah.
Dogecoin. I love it. I need it. I need it to come back. Dogecoin inspired Doge Cola beverage starts shipping this month.
Ooh.
If you click that article, Brian, you can see that there is a non-alcoholic beverage that you're going to be able to buy.
This is way better than Flamin' Hot Dorito.
Way
Mountain
better.
Dew.
Way better. So I kind of broke it down. So Dogecoin is actually its own coin.
Yes.
So it's its own coin. It's trading at like, I don't know, 0.0000333, something stupid like that. But according to Friday, Doge Cola announcement, the Dogecoin inspired cryptocurrency project is about to ship its product. After its initial pre-release, the token has managed to gain 100 times in just 2 weeks and has started partnering with industry leaders. Blows my mind. The token can be purchased from PancakeSwap, GT Global, and Big One, the three big names in the crypto exchange industry, which we're not big on or huge on. When we had Integrity Tokens come on and tried to, talk that up, man, I was fucking deer in the headlights.
Yeah.
I had no idea what he was fucking talking about.
It's a lot. It's in depth.
So with that being said, I probably won't be trading Doge Cola, but I'm all behind it. So Doge Cola comes with a unique new feature called Auto Boost, which is what I hope they do with actual Dogecoin. So it integrated directly into the smart contract, which the Auto Boost function keeps the price of the token high, but buying back a variable amounts of every time a sale occurs with the Dogecoin token. When that happens, the tokens are burned, which I like that. Big fan.
Yeah,
and
interesting.
then I had that website down at the bottom where you can click just to, give you some statistics of that it's actually a real fucking coin, which blows my mind.
Yep. Wow.
So Doge Cola, everybody. Doge fucking Cola.
Yeah, I bet the fees to buy this right now would be astronomical because you have to use a swap.
Oh, yeah.
The other day, Devin tried to send over some US dollar coins from her Coinbase to her Celsius wallet, and they wanted like $48 worth of fees to transfer it because the market was so congested. That's like one of the worst things about crypto, because like when I sent my money over, it didn't take any fees. Negligible amount of fees, like maybe $1 or $2, because like the market wasn't very congested or whatever, or the network. But like that's something they gotta figure out, because like crypto's amazing, but if it's gonna if I want to buy the Doge Cola, like $10 worth, I could imagine the fees right now are probably like $30 to $70 in fees, and that's just ridiculous.
Silly.
Yeah. All right, moving right along. This is an interesting one. I was reading this one earlier. This is a very long article, so we're definitely only touching on points of it. But this video game is turning pandemic jobless into crypto traders. Axie Infinity's daily active users swelled from 30,000 in April this year to more than 1 million in August, with most logging on from developing countries hit hard by COVID. This is a video game kind of like Pokemon, essentially.
Yep.
Where you get these blobs called axes. They're on the screen right here. And you battle them, and you get like coins basically for winning battles. Axie Infinity is among the biggest and most polarizing of these new games, which allows players to accumulate tradable crypto coins. To investors like billionaires Mark Cuban and Reddit co-founder Alex Ohanian, who were part of a $7.5 million funding round for Vietnamese game maker Sky Mavis in May, it's a gateway to crypto for people around the world. Others look at the buy-in cost, now more than $600, and the influx of newbies working for low-value tokens, and see evidence the Axie Infinity model is unsustainable. So, like, on the one hand, it's cool because in this, like, long article, which I read a little bit about, this guy was laid off in July and then started playing this game, and he lives in, I think it was Brazil. Manila. He ended up making more money playing this game than he did working his job.
Yep, 3 times.
Yeah. But because of the popularity of it, like it said, so you need to have 3 axes to play the game, and now they are each going for like $200. So people can't afford to get into this thing, so they get sponsors, and the sponsors are like, I'll give you 3 axes, but you have to give me 90% of your profits. You know, so it's just like, you're just like slave laboring for somebody else until you pay them back.
Yep, totally agree.
It's fucking wild. Like, you know, it's kind of cool that we live in a future where you can grind out crypto games and make more money in a week than your IT job. But at the same time, people are going to be like weirdly enslaved playing Axie Infinity, and that's not cool.
Yep. So I thought that was the perfect article for you to read. It was right up your fucking alley.
That was a good one.
I'm surprised you're not into that. I'm surprised. I'll be very surprised if you don't get into that.
I don't know that I would want to do that. I like to play games for enjoyment. $600 to play this game to like maybe make some fake money. I don't know. That's a little aggressive, you know?
You're right. 600 is a little aggressive.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that. Next, last crypto article that we have. I'm going to bring it back to Dogecoin because that's my fucking baby. Dallas Mavericks offering $25 gift cards for customers buying merch with Dogecoin during Doge Mania. Poof! The Mavericks are currently hosting a Crypto Mania promotion from August 13th through September 20th. Fucking love it. Which I stated, I don't know if it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, that Mark Cuban only has $493 worth of Dogecoin.
Yeah, but luckily, all these people are going to pad his Doge wallet for when he pumps it, and all he has to do is give out fucking gift cards to probably his own gift shop. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a win-win scenario.
Yeah, no, I fucking love it.
Oh.
Fuck yeah, Mark Cuban. But I just want to end it with Doge. Before I make my little pitch, do you have anything to leave the show with?
No, this is it for the week, right?
Yeah, actually.
That's
Actually, no, I'm gonna bring everything with me. I probably won't be able to do it tomorrow, but I plan on it Wednesday.
Hey, be quiet. Be quiet.
Nice man.
DJ.
Great. All right,
Go to your
almost
room.
gonna end the show. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe the video, and please join our Discord. Link is below. We're some stoners sending gifts, making money. We're not gonna be able to do the show tomorrow. I will be on a flight to Boston, but I will bring the webcam and the speaker with my laptop, so we could potentially do something this week.
Bring the microphone too if you're gonna bring everything.
Yep, I'm gonna bring everything, so it'll be a good time. I'll be outside, so we have a cool little scenic view. We just dropped the tickets for Cannabis. It was pretty cool. We got a handful of tickets downloaded on the first weekend. We're very excited. It's at Golfland Sunset, November 14th, which is a Sunday, right here in Phoenix or Mesa, Arizona. Top cannabis brands, 60 of them to be exact. We're almost sold out. We're selling tickets now. We have rolling contests, VIP guests, VIP surprise guest for actually who's performing. It's just great all the way around. It's perfect donuts, and it's actually cheaper than actually going out on a date. So we hope to see you guys there. Check it out, shopcultureaz.com. We fucking love you. Brian, play that music.
I will do that. Peace out, everybody.
Peace.
These fucking dogs, though. I think somebody's knocking on my door. I'm not sure. Wrong screen. Oh no, that's right. Okay.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try